Looking for a versatile, powerful, and compact pruning saw to tackle various outdoor tasks? The WORX WG325 pruning saw promises to be a game changer for gardeners and DIY enthusiasts alike. But does it live up to the hype? Let's delve into the details and find out. The WORX pruning saw is designed to provide a high-powered, professional-grade cutting experience. Its brushless motor ensures 50% longer runtime, 25% more power, and 10 times longer life than standard brush motors. The 5-inch bar length makes it ideal for a variety of tasks, including pruning, trimming, delimbing, and bucking. One of the key features is the automatic chain tensioning system, which provides quick, convenient, and secure tension adjustments, ensuring high-performance consistency. Additionally, the saw comes with an automatic chain lubrication system that maintains cutting efficiency while extending the life of the bar and chain. The retractable bar and chain guard automatically retracts when cutting from above, providing additional safety and security. The guarded handle design further enhances user safety, making the saw comfortable and secure to operate even during extended use or in tight spaces. The saw is part of the PowerShare family, meaning the same battery can be used to power over 75 other WORX 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt lifestyle, garden, and power tools. Ready to make your pruning tasks easier and more efficient? Check out the WORX saw on Amazon through the link in the description below. This section outlines the main strengths and weaknesses of the WORX WG325, providing a balanced view to help you make an informed decision. While the 2.0 AH battery offers decent runtime, heavy users might need to purchase additional batteries for longer tasks. Some users have noted that the retractable guard can be a bit tricky to manage when undercutting. The 5-inch bar, while versatile, might not be sufficient for larger branches or heavy-duty tasks. Despite a few drawbacks, the WORX WG325 has numerous advantages that make it a compelling choice for both casual and serious gardeners. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides excellent power and runtime, making cutting tasks quicker and easier. The automatic chain tensioning and lubrication systems reduce maintenance efforts and ensure consistent performance. The ultra-compact design and lightweight body make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, and comfortable to use for extended periods. Suitable for a wide range of tasks, including pruning, trimming, delimbing, and bucking. The guarded handle design and retractable bar and chain guard enhance user safety. What are your thoughts on the WORX saw? Leave your comments and questions below. The WORX pruning saw offers a blend of power, efficiency, and convenience, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain their garden or property. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it a strong contender in the cordless pruning saw market. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance pruning saw, the WORX is definitely worth considering. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more reviews and gardening tips. Happy pruning!